Hi, and welcome to Lesson 39. In this video, I will select a few students at random and let them say anything they want. I will then translate on the spot. This is an exercise I like to call quick thinking. Ready? Let's learn Low German. This is George. He will now say a few lines and I will translate them to Low German. I'm ready, George.
I like playing volleyball.
Ik like volleybal te spelen.
1 + 1 is 2.
Einmal eint is 2.
My mom makes the best pierogies.
Mijn mama maakt de beste vrannetje. This is Susie. Okay, Susie, say anything.
I live beside a cemetery.
Ik woon bij een grafhof.
I walk 4 miles to school and back each day.
Ik ga 4 mijl naar de school heen en terug iedere dag.
Today is my birthday.
Vandaag is mijn geburtsdag. This is Andrew. Your turn, Andrew.
My doctor said that there's nothing wrong with me.
Mijn dokter zei, du is niks aardig met mij.
The world is flat.
De wereld is plat.
The teacher is my friend.
De leraar is mijn vriend. Thank you for watching this video, and remember to water your plants.